Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see the topic application of heat equipments in Unit 4. The heading you already know, the cogeneration and residual heat recovery. So, there are lot of equipments is work under the principle of cogeneration and residual heat recovery. So it is majorly the equipments are divided into two types, that is topping cycle and bottoming cycle. Somebody tell top cycle or bottom cycle, something like that. We can see it clearly and elaborately in the upcoming slides. And before that, uh, in the previous video itself, we have a clear definition about that and what is cogeneration and the principle of cogeneration. So, the principle of cogeneration will be clearly known by everybody. Then only we have to go for this topic. Only you have to know what is cogeneration. Then this topic is little bit easy. Otherwise it is somewhat confusing. So we move on to the first slide. So what are all the cycles available? Based on the cycle, the equipments the application of heating equipments we see in next slide. Before that, we have to know what is topping cycle and what is bottoming cycle. So the basic cogeneration system can be classified into topping cycle or bottoming cycle based on the fuel supply. Okay, fuel supply and how to tell the heat rejection or heat absorption. Based on this, we have divided the cogeneration system into two types, the topping cycle and next one is bottoming cycle. So it is clearly given that just to see the underlined word in a topping cycle, the fuel is used to first produce the power and then the thermal energy, which is the byproduct of the cycle, is used to satisfy heat or thermal equipments. Okay, bottoming cycle means power first, and topping cycle means power first, and bottoming cycle means thermal energy first. So PFHF, we have a shortcut to easily remember. This one is PF and HF. Power first. Power, when the cycle is producing the power first, we call it as topping cycle. When the cycle is producing heat first, that means thermal energy first, we call it as bottoming cycle. The fuel supplied is used to produce the power and then the thermal energy, we call it as topping cycle. The primary fuel produce high temperature thermal energy and then the heat rejection is used for generation of power, means that is called as bottoming cycle. So in recovery boiler, some equipments like recovery boiler, turbine generator, we are using this bottoming cycle. Okay. So very important topic in this unit. In every non-university question, there must be either in 2 mark or 8 mark. One time it is asked in 13 mark itself. Explain any two equipments in bottoming cycle and topping cycle and explain it briefly, something like that. So this is very important topic. So when you understand what is topping cycle and bottoming cycle, it is easy to cope up with the definition and others. So next one, so examples of topping cycles is water desalination, district heating, and sugar industries. The example for bottoming cycle is cement industry, steel industry, and ceramic and gas industry. All are the power plant. We have to add the word power plant in addition to this. So, water desalination plant, you already know, in some coastal areas like Orissa, some Andhra, some areas, there is a water shortage and also the power shortage. At the time, they are using water desalination power plant. So, and next one is district heating. This is very important, very important topic in topping cycle. So, what is mean by district heating? That means the whole district is to be heated, not like that. Um, some Simla, some hill stations like Delhi and some North India in Kullu, Manali, some areas like that. Because of snowfall, there is the vehicle or some important things is to be buried on that snow. So, in this, it is a portable power plant machine that used to spray or throw some heat steam into the required area, so that because of that heat we can identify the object or the cooling is reduced. That is called district heating. And third one is sugar industry. Sugar industry, already you know that with the help of the power plant only, the sugar cane juice is converted into polysaccharides or something that related to glucose, fructose, sucrose, some saccharides of sugar. And cement industry, steel industry, ceramic industry, ceramic and glass, that is mistakenly typed ceramic and glass industry, not gas industry. In this industries we are using bottoming cycle. So in this bottoming cycle we have a effective heat energy is obtained. Okay, so next one, so in topping cycle itself we have two process. First one is combined cycle process and second one is steam turbine topping process. It is very simple. We can easily tell it is based on the application only. We can divide it into two types. A gas turbine or diesel engine is producing electrical and mechanical power, followed by the heat recovery boiler for the secondary turbine, and the steam is again sent to the secondary turbine. On behalf of the first turbine, it is again sent to the second turbine, then we call it as combined cycle topping system. So that waste heat is again sent to the secondary turbine, we call it as combined cycle